Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox 360. This prevents data loss and shock. Once done, identify your model because the hard drive bay location differs: side, top, or underside. Make sure you ground yourself by touching metal or using an anti-static strap. Static can corrupt the drive. Remove any faceplate or latch to expose the drive bay, keeping screws and covers in a safe place. Now position the drive so the connector faces the console port. You're ready to You align the hard drive with the console's connector and slide it straight in. A firm, even push ensures the pins mate properly. Once the drive clicks or the latch engages, secure it with screws if your model requires them. This prevents vibration and read errors. Reinstall the faceplate or cover so dust won't get in. Make sure cables and surrounding components aren't pinched. After securing everything, double-check the drive sits flush and even. A misaligned drive can cause intermittent recognition issues. You reconnect power and AV, then power the console on to let the system detect the drive. The storage menu is where you'll confirm recognition and free space. If it appears, you can move profiles, games, or set it as default storage. Do this to avoid lost saves. If the drive isn't listed, first power down and reseat it. Make sure connectors are clean. If problems persist, test with a different same model drive or update the console firmware, as compatibility or firmware mismatches often cause non-detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.